What's going on, guys? Rob with Rob's Garage, back here again. I'm wearing the same clothes as last video because it's the same day. Just had to wait till nightfall. So what we're doing is we're in my 2009 Silverado. We're going to be installing some LED lights. This particular brand comes from my buddy Craig Church over at Church's Automotive Lighting. I'm gonna link his Facebook page down in the description. So they have lights for everything. I had their LED headlights in my, I think it was a 07, it's either 07 or 08 328xi BMW, and man, these things are amazing. I love them. They're super cheap. They're $65, and you know, that's shipped to your door. So this is what you get in the package, right? So you tell him what you got and he'll send you exactly what it takes. So here we got the LEDs. You know, it's got the nice fan on it, the ballast, and it, you know, my truck's a H11, so it comes with the H11 stuff. It's really good quality. I'm gonna show y'all a driving video. I'll show you a standstill video right now. So obviously no light, and then hell, I don't even know if you can see that, but that's all you got. So we're gonna go ahead right here in this parking lot. I'm gonna throw this in, and then we'll see what she looks like, and hopefully we can see a lot better. So here's a driving clip of the stock headlights. Remember, this 2009 Silverado. It's not bad, but it, you know, it could be a lot better. But we're about to make that a lot better. All right, guys. So the LEDs are installed. Just one thing before I let you look at them. LEDs do not reverse polarity. What that means is if you order this kit or any other kit and you plug it up and it doesn't work, just unconnect it and then flip it around and then plug it back in. Should be fine. Regular halogen bulbs, as long as they complete a circuit, doesn't matter which way it is, they're gonna light up. This matters so much on a quality set of LEDs. So without me rambling on, here they are. You ready? Yeah, remember that really bad halogen stock ones? Man, that is so much better. I could probably see for 200 yards or better. It's so good. I haven't even looked at it outside the truck yet, so let's go see what they look like. I didn't want anything like super blue, just like a nice white color. Man, yo, if I'm driving behind you, I'm sorry. That looks really, really good. So all right, I'll give you a rolling shot, and that'll be it for me. I appreciate you all tuning in. Thank you so much. Remember, if you want to look into getting LEDs, please consider this set. Church's Automotive Lighting, links down in the description for his Facebook page. Shoot him a message, he'll get right back to you, I promise. So take care. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date, and I will see you on the next one. Peace. A little driving down the road action. Oh man, it's so nice. I can see everything. This is so much. If you don't buy these for your car, like, the Mustang's definitely getting a set, because this is, first of all, you know who's a car guy by as they drive around. You know, they got that nice, like very white, almost blue lights. And you know who's a racer by just having straight up blue, like HIDs that you bought off of eBay for like $4. So make sure you check them out in the description. Oh, last thing. I already ended the video, but if you're watching this, you must like the channel. So don't comment on the hat. I love this thing. I think they got it off Amazon. I got it as a Christmas present, and I've used it so much. The only thing I don't like is the color is gray. But if you're out at night, check this out. Boom. All day. You can work on your car at night without having, you know, buy a headlamp. I always wear beanies or hats or something. And man, this thing is a life changer. Keep one of these in your car. At night, you ever break down, you're golden. So, it's awesome. Say it's awesome. Comment it's awesome. I love you. Nux. Alright, peace.